So you want to learn how to bake this loaf? Here, Julien is going to show you how. Guten Morgen everyone and welcome to another baking video. Today I am the French bastard in Barcelona.
We're not in Barcelona, we're in Paris.
What are we going to do?
Pain de Mie.
Pain de Mie.
You can find Pain de Mie everywhere in the world.
Yes, which is a loaf for
It's a
sandwiches.
loaf. Yes, exactly. Sandwiches for breakfast.
Really soft bread.
Exactly.
Which is a secret recipe.
The secret recipe is we are in France and we are the best ingredient.
Ah, that's a secret.
Flour, milk, sugar, salt, oil, yeast. No butter.
No butter in France.
No cream. I love this recipe because we need 24-hour fermentation.
Let me check if I have that time. 24 hours, okay? Okay.
It's definitely my favorite recipe.
It's strange that you're not using butter. I'm still thinking about
I
it.
love butter, but
Not in this loaf.
not in this one. We put the milk in the
Which
bottom.
oil?
Very important, liquid in the bottom.
At the
You
bottom.
know why?
No.
You don't know why?
Because we're in France.
But you... We put the liquid on the bottom for don't have some called in French grumeaux.
Yeah, that's small chunks of.
Exactly.
Okay.
Very important. The salt is here. Yeast is here. Okay.
So you're the one that don't mix salt and yeast
Exactly.
kind of guy.
You see, it's here and here.
Okay.
First step, we put the yeast inside.
You're using fresh yeast.
In France, we are lucky. We can have fresh yeast. I don't know. I know in some countries it's very difficult to have fresh
you can
yeast.
use 1/3 of that
Yes,
yeast.
and you have dry yeast. That's
Dry
working
yeast.
also.
And the flour that you're using, I know it's French flour, but it's white flour. Just
It's white flour,
bread flour.
T45.
Yes, it's
Classic
bread
one.
flour, classic.
Yes.
You don't do this by hand, or sometimes. Today is not a hand day.
Nah, definitely it's
Not-
not end day.
Nice dough,
Yeah, it start to be nice.
and there's no butter.
No butter. Just for check, you need to be in 23, 24. And you need to go back. Let's go.
Let's go.
You
Oh,
take the
again.
bread. You're a
Okay.
baker, no? You just eat the bread.
I'm just a beautiful guy
okay.
in front of the camera. Temperature checking. Some foldings to make it more, to give it more strength.
Yeah, a little bit.
Can I give it the final touch?
Who doing that?
Ready, naturally. Time to rest.
Yeah, 24 hour.
24 hours. Oof. So what do we do now? Do you have enough croissant?
I have a bottle of whiskey if you want.
Oh.
You can sit,
Yeah.
sun, drinks.
And croissant.
With whiskey? No.
With whiskey, yeah, yes.
Yeah, you love it?
It's incredible, yeah.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Yeah.
What is that?
Here's the dough. What a night yesterday. Take a look at this bubble and this one. Whoa.
You see this one?
Perfect.
No butter.
No butter.
Cream.
Tell me, why are the French bastard?
When I work in Australia, he called me
You
like
work in
that.
Australia? Ah, with the kangaroos.
With the kangaroo,
Ah,
yeah.
kangaroo.
For the kangaroo, 2 years.
Baking bread or doing
Baking
what?
bread with wood oven.
Sourdough bread.
Sourdough bread, yeah. Pastry chef also, chocolate maker, we're doing everything. My chef in Australia, called Michael McHenry, called me
The French bastard.
Yeah. In French, we have a bread called bâtard.
Bâtard.
For the form, okay? And it's bastard.
Yeah, but it's the same meaning. Bâtard and bastard, the
Same.
same thing. Are you lost with all the sourdough bread recipes that you find on the internet? Would you like to learn all the tips and tricks to make your own sourdough bread at home? Then I have the solution. I have designed the perfect masterclass of sourdough bread just made for you. By clicking the link on the description, you will learn how to make and take care of your sourdough starter, how to knead, shape, ferment and bake your sourdough bread, how to use and read the baker's percentage, all the basic techniques to bake like a pro at home, and how to read and understand your dough. Don't miss out on it and click the link on the description right now.
A lot of bakers thinking for have nice risotto, obligatory need to put some levain. But levain, when it's not good,
Too acid maybe, or too acid.
Yeah, it's too acid and it can kill the dough.
Yeah,
also,
you
know.
see, the gluten network.
For this kind of dough, Pain de Mie, you need to have something simple, something easy, something
Tasty.
Exactly, some fluffy, you know. Yeah, you remember how to do?
Yes, I have my own style, but I follow your method. Now, wait again.
4 hours.
4 hours. Oh, maybe we can go to the Eiffel Tower. Have you ever been there?
Yeah, of course. 4 hours is not enough.
Not
because
enough?
Too much traffic in Paris.
Okay. These 4 hours went really fast in Paris.
Remember this kind of dough, not a lot, but you have the yeast. And we're doing 1 night fermentation, 24 hours before we put in the mold and start to brew it. We don't want to have something too perfect. Okay? We're rustic. We're doing by hand. You have human. Is have something irregular is the proof we're doing by the hand. Now we put in the oven 165
Celsius.
Yes, we're doing the eggy.
The egg wash.
In this one, not by the brush. You know, we don't have time.
Okay, yeah.
We're doing a lot of like that.
This is egg and milk?
No, just egg.
Just egg?
Just
Okay.
eggs.
All eggs.
It's enough.
Happy chicken. You could also put some seeds if you want.
If you want to put some seeds, some sesame, some pavot, we can do in whatever you want. We can do this dough also with vegan option.
Vegan option.
Yes, you can do in the same recipe with Oatly. We change
Made
the meat.
vegan. Interesting. Let's
Now
go.
we put in the oven. Let's go. 45 minutes.
Oof, smells like butter, but there's no butter.
It's very hot. Normally, you need to rest 1 hour before cut. Huh?
Yeah.
But we are friends. We do it together.
Okay. And the crust is so thin, yeah?
Yes.
Incredible. I can imagine the super sandwich and with this bread. It's like biting a cloud.
Yeah, it's a cloud.
Nothing. Cloud, air, pure air. And take a look at this. It's caramel.
I tell you, that's my favorite bread.
You should definitely bake this bread and sell it at your store.
Soon.
Soon.
Normally, in 2-3 months, we put in the shop.
It's incredible. No. I could sleep here. Bye-bye. And the secret is France.
And talent.
Talent, yes.
I love the bread. I like the bread. It's a national treasure. You know?
Yes, of course.
Everyone eat bread except gluten-free and other, but the consumption is changing because for eat this kind of bread is easy.
Soft bread.
It's easy. You can do a sandwich, you can do a breakfast, you can do a late dinner after a nightclub. You come, you slice two ham, cheese,
And
mayonnaise,
and
you have something perfect. For eat some more traditional bread, except
like baguette or sourdough too.
it's different because you need to eat, except sandwich, the majority of people eat when is cooking, sitting, eating.
And drinking wine.
And drinking wine, example.
But young people, they just buy 1 or twice per week.
That depends. Me, I am young people and I eat bread every day. That's why I'm, see?
No, you're in shape.
I love bread, I eat bread. All the dinner, all the lunch, I need to have bread on the table.
Yeah, I understand.
You know what I mean?
But there, something's changing.
Yeah, of course. You can see that also in Argentina or
No,
all around the world. You do
yeah.
You know, this kind of bread have more popularity about young people.
And they're super tasty. It's not the supermarket bread.
It's not the supermarket bread. You know what I mean?
And the ingredients were really easy. No, it's incredible.
Something perfect.
Perfect, yes. It's like a brioche, but it's not a brioche.
Yeah.
Well, Julian, thank you very much for having me one of your bakeries.
Yeah.
So tell the people where they can find you.
You can find French Bastard in a second district, or 181 Rue Saint-Denis, and another one is 35 Place Saint-Ferdinand in the 17th district. And here we are in the first one, my baby, in 61 Rue Oberkampf in 11th district.
Perfect.
I
And
hope
here
to see you
also
soon.
your Instagram, YouTube channel and everything.
You are the master of that.
Okay, so, well, thank you. Give us some comments about
Thank
what you
you.
think about the recipe, and we'll see you on the next video somewhere else. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about sourdough bread and sourdough starter, I encourage you to check the link on the description. And remember, this masterclass was specially designed for you.